Hello guys, this is Trader in the Zone Varunendra. So let us discuss about the Bank Nifty's movement on 22nd November, 23rd November and 24th November, that is today, with respect to the levels provided by me on the official Telegram channel, that is Trader in the Zone. So I have provided these levels on 22nd November at 8:57 am, so that you can play according to the levels in the market on 22nd November. So firstly let us see the levels. So I have drawn a range over here so that you can play according to that. So let us come back to our levels. So I have mentioned Bank Nifty levels for 22nd November 2022. So I have said that one can go long after breakout of 42,400 and one can go short after breakdown of 42,225. On upside, targets will be 42,485, 42,600, and if reversing from 42,600, one can play reversal, or if sustains above 42,600 with volumes, then go long and trail SL up to 42,840. On downside, targets will be 42,080, 42,000, 41,900. Scalping can be played at levels if any reversal signs are observed. This is what I have shared on it. So let us go to the trading view. So to observe the movement with respect to our levels, this is Bank Nifty chart. This is the range which I have provided in the Telegram channel. So on 22nd November, let's see, I have shaded around 8:57. So opening was above the range and it didn't sustain above that and reversed from there. After some time consolidation, the market has broken the level, but it has not reached the target with the momentum. So I have actually taken a trade over here, but according to the 30 minutes rule, which I follow as I am an option buyer, I have exited the position with very minute stop loss. It's not that my SL level has hit, but because of the 30 minutes rule which I follow, I have exited the position. After that, on 22nd November, so near around 3 p.m., the market has taken the support from the range which I have drawn, and it has started spiking upwards. So I actually play 3 p.m. So I have gone long. I will show you the trade which I have taken personally. So I have gone on long on this side, and while closing, it has given a strong close, and I have carried forward the position. So next day, the Bank Nifty has reached 42,610, which is our first target after the breakout of the stock. I am in range, and from there, actually on the first candle, I thought this would go downside if it doesn't sustain, but I haven't played. I haven't exited my position because it is not sustaining below 42,610. So it is sustaining about 42,610. So I was holding that position because my second target was 42,840. As I have mentioned in the Telegram channel too, I was trailing my stop loss and it has reached 42,840 exactly. And I have exited the position after this breakout. So after that, at 3 p.m., I have observed one thing. See, at our level, 42,840 is our logical resistance level, and at the same level, it was forming a bearish candle. So I have played 3 p.m. again, and I have made some around 25% profit, which is decent. So I will show you which trade I have taken. So after that, on the day I have booked my position itself and I have closed all my positions. So coming to today, market was showing strong bullishness. See, it has opened up, gap up, and then again broken the 42,840 level and sustained above it. So actually I haven't traded today, but if one would, this is not my position, I have placed this position just to show how one would have traded this one. So after long consolidation over here, market has fallen down and gone up and again formed a higher low and then higher high. So if one would have followed any technical analysis, that is price action which we follow mostly, so you would have clearly observed that there is a higher low and higher high pattern forming, and most of the option buyers, we need to keep in mind that we should play 3 p.m. candle, because 3 p.m. candle we can observe a strong movement because of the positions made by the institutions, and most of the option buyers also play 3 p.m. because of the high movement. We should follow a small SL and high targets. So if one would have traded today, so according to the W pattern or higher low pattern, whichever you want to say, after the breakout of this neckline, one would have achieved these targets. So this is not my trade. I haven't taken this trade as I was in some meeting today. So just now my meeting was completed, so I am recording this video right now. So this is it, guys. So let us see how I have analyzed these things. See, here it was a strong range. It was the range was following from near around 18th November. From 18th November, BankNifty was respecting the range. After this range breakout, firstly, this is first range breakout I have taken, but there was no movement, so I have exited because there is no point in holding those positions which have no movement for option buyers particularly. So I thought after I will exit now, and after the breakout of these levels, right, again when the high will be broken of this level, I will enter into the trade. So exactly I have executed the same thing over here. Near around 3.5 I have taken the trade, and my target was achieved 42,610. I was here. I was ready to exit the position and take, if it is reversing from there, I was ready to take the puts, but it has sustained above it. This is a strong candle because it's a high wick candle near our resistance, and it is showing that it is the resistance has broken and resistance is now acting as a support. So I have holded the trade and it has gone up to 42,840, which is our final target, and it has reached it. So let me show you the positions which I have taken. I will show you the option that is the strike which I have chosen and the entry point of mine, so that you will get an idea how to select strike price. Okay. So coming to the strike which I have chosen 42,600 C, because my target was 42,610. My first target was 42,610, and I was having a strong conviction that it will be reached. However, so I have placed the trade so that I can earn profit. So I have taken the trade. And firstly, as I have said, I have entered over here near around, I have entered near around 103 or something, and I have exited nearly near to 94.50. So I have booked very small loss because there was no movement. There was nothing, there was no negative point, but there was no movement, and I follow 30 minutes rule obviously as an option buyer. So I have exited the position. I have thought that after the breakout of this high zone, I will enter into it again. So as I have mentioned, near around 3:05 p.m. I have taken the trade. Near it was 102 rupees exactly, not 101, but 102.35 around. I have entered the position and I was holding it. And the target I have booked was nearly around 295. It's not 295, but it's near around 293 I have booked. So nearly 200% return, which is exceptionally great return. So see, we need to understand that these kind of trades may not be possible every day, but one can find them. Because see, one thing, the consolidation which was taking BankNifty was taking, right? It was from 18th November to 22nd November, 4 days consolidation. In between, one holiday was there. So we can leave that. So 3 days, 3 trading sessions consolidation it is. So it would be a strong movement after the breakout. So the same, exactly the same thing has happened, and exceptionally it has reached our second target, which is 42,840, and luckily we have booked nearly around 200% returns. And coming to the second trade which I have taken on 23rd November at 3:05, which I have played at the reversal trade. So I have mentioned that at around 3:05 p.m. after the bearish candle at our resistance zone, I have taken the trade. So I have entered 42,800 PE, which was in the money option. So I have entered it, and near around it has reached 119 to 160 rupees. So which is around 25% returns, which is a pretty decent amount. So I have booked the trade and I have exited the position. But actually I have missed today's trade as I was in a small meeting. So not an issue, we will see a more days to come. There are more days to come. So guys, this was our analysis and markets movement according to the with respect to our analysis. So I will be posting the analysis for next week also, and from now I will be posting regularly on our Telegram channel and Instagram channel also. You can follow our Instagram page. And for the market's reaction, and if anything surprising news comes, I will be uploading the videos on YouTube too, so you can follow them. Thank you.